trying the bacon cheese fries of
Wow.
Nathan's.
Bacon? Akala ko ano yan? Bacon
Yan,
cheese
ito.
lang. Ah, french fries to. Bacon cheese fries. Okay, kakain kami ng mga pinagbabawal. Bacon bits is good. 8 out of 10.
It's out of 10.
At least matcha cheesecake. Lasang fake na sugar. Not good. Not good. But I bought. Okay, naubos na ang fries. Ano yan?
Trying the bacon cheese
Bacon cheese dog.
dog. Just 240 pesos. Tama na. Ah, ano ba yan? Hulog.
Mm. Hindi siya yung regular hotdog. Yung parang, ano ba yung sausage ba yan? Parang ano, sausage. Parang mga German franks ganun. 8 out of 10. 8 ka rin. Pili kami ng buy one, take one na
Fish.
fish cake. Ang lungkot-lungkot nila.
I think it's a fish kill. The saddest fish.
Saddest fish ever.
Lucas butter steaks. The best. The best steaks. Okay?
Congratulations sa iyo at ating
Worth
pinaka-birthday
150
prize
and this is worth 152.
runners up. Meron din kayong prize back courtesy of our sponsor from CDO. Madam, tinatanong po kung pwede nang iuwi yung extra.
Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa, ha? Okay, we'd like to announce that the partner of CDO hot dogs is hot dog on a stick. Yung masarap po na
Sobre, no?
hot dog sa labas, kapag
Kasi magmarami.
pilitin po natin ang hot dog on a stick.
Okay, pagkilyan. Ano ang